Transferring your photos from a Mac to an iPhone is pretty simple. Let me show you. Open Finder, click on the name of your phone, then switch to the Photos tab. Now, make sure all of your photos are in one folder. We'll name our folder Photos to Transfer and drag our photos in. On your phone, go to the App Store and download the Coder app. Open the app, and then back on your computer, switch to the Files tab. Simply drag your Photos to Transfer folder into the Coder app. Back on your phone, go to the Files app and click the Coder folder. You should now see the Photos to Transfer folder. Our images are there. Now we just need to select them. Tap Select All on the top left and then the Share button on the bottom left. Save your images and feel free to delete the folder. And there they are, our images from our computer. If you'd like, also delete the photos off of your computer.